Everyone would like to see and have a gorgeous smile, with white and awesome teeth that shine with a healthy glow. However, in order to get this, you need to take proper care of your oral health. Moreover, you can improve the beauty of your smile by whitening your teeth. We will reveal a natural process that will whiten them in a couple of minutes. You won't need to spend all that money on expensive whitening treatments anymore, as you can naturally get the smile you want. This incredibly effective, natural treatment includes 2 ingredients only: lemon and baking soda. Learn how to prepare this potion and clean your teeth in order to make them white and shiny like those of celebrities. Preparation. In a bowl, place a tablespoon of baking soda, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it and mix it with baking soda. Now, soak a cloth or napkin in the mixture and apply it to your teeth, leave it to act for 2 minutes. Then, rinse the teeth, that's all. Your teeth will be extremely white. You can freely use it in order to get the smile of your dreams.